If you are new to my channel, my name is OHEMAA. Welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, hey. Listen, this is gonna be a Ghana flag inspired makeup look, okay? I am literally gonna put the Ghana flag on my face because it's Independence Day, okay? I think there's gonna be like a bonus video, I don't know, but we're gonna do it, okay? Ooh, maybe I should have done this for the intro. I'm gonna actually put down some Aquaphor because I cannot find my Danessa Myricks balm, the face balm. I can't find it. Now, how do you prefer your makeup tutorials? You know, how do you prefer your videos? Do you want them to be talking the whole time through, or do you like the voiceover type, or, you know, how do you like it? I'm about to put a lot of colored foundation on. This is a Mehron cream blend face and body makeup, so I'm definitely going to prime my skin a whole lot. Okay, so after I applied this POV primer, I let it sit on my skin a bit and dry down. I'm going in with our NARS light reflecting foundation, and this is the second deepest shade, blending that in on the lower and upper parts of my face above my brow, because the middle part of my face where my eyes are from ear to ear is going to be covered in color makeup. I'm putting concealer only on my chin, below my nose, and contour only on my cheek area. I don't even think I put any contour on my forehead, okay? Also, I feel like I'm losing a lot of hair on my edges. It could be aging, it could be because my white hairs are about to come in, or because the braids I did ate up my edges. Either way, I'm going in and setting with the e.l.f. HD powder. It's a white powder, does dry down clear, but because I put a lot of it on, it mattified my face really, really well. I'm going in with my Fenty Brow MVP in the shade Deep Black because if I want my brows to stand out, that's the one I'm going to use. Going back into my Mehron makeup palette, and this is a water activated palette that I use for any colorful looks that I want to do. This is the same one I use for the Alphaba makeup look, so I really like it. I actually also bought the cream foundation colors, but the yellow wasn't yellow enough and the red wasn't red. I don't know, I'm not ready to use those foundation sticks yet, but I am water activating each color and I'm using concealer brushes to apply them. The thing is, this yellow was so difficult for me to work with this time around. I didn't know how I worked with it the first time, but this time this yellow was just giving me HELL, okay? It was very difficult for it. It didn't dry down very well, or maybe I put too much, or something I set it with was making a crease on me. It just was not working. But anyway, I dried everything down, and as you can see, the red dried down matte, the green dried down matte, but the yellow is still kind of reflective because it wasn't drying down. I did not use a setting spray to activate it, so I didn't understand why the yellow just was not drying down. I kept working with it and it kept peeling and looking weird, so I had to go back in, wipe it off, and try to build it up again. I suffered with this yellow. The way I suffered with this yellow, okay, and it wasn't setting. Even with the setting powder and the eyeshadow that I put on it, it still wasn't setting. I spent so much time on the yellow, I almost gave up on the whole thing, but I pushed through, okay? Now, one thing the Beats by Deb has taught me is if something works, work it and just try to make it look different each time. So this time around, I decided to put glitter onto the Ghana flag and make it look shiny, very much like the new style of kente bridal outfits that we've been making in Ghana. Before, it was where the kente was the main point of the outfit for any occasion. Now, all kente is essentially getting some kind of a makeover with some rhinestones, some beads, some silver, or should I say tinsel thread in there, and the whole thing is very shiny, glittery, all of that. So I decided to go ahead with glitters on my flag to make them look shiny. I will tell you, I could not find red chunky glitter. I found that red chunky glitter in the Patricia Bright and Makeup Revolution palette. Like, that palette saved me, okay? If it wasn't for that palette, I wouldn't have found a red chunky glitter to put on this. I couldn't find any black lip gloss, so I went in with a black eyeshadow pencil, and that's how I got my black lips. I set with the new Morphe Life Proof setting spray, and then over that I went over it with the Juvia's Place Ready Set Seal, and you know, that was the look. I needed to make sure my skin was glistening and glowing, so I used the Philosophy body glow oil, glitter oil situation. I've been using this and I still don't know the exact name of it. All I know is it's very good, especially when I add a little bit of a moisturizer to it. It is phenomenal. It makes my skin look beautiful, glowy, and gorgeous. Now, I am doing this makeup look for our Makeup for Makeup series because, you know, it's different. It's not generally a makeup that you would wear, but it is definitely something that can inspire you when it's your country's Independence Day. You can also, what is it called? Customize it for Coachella, festival season, carnival season. You know, it's a fun, festive way to add a little bit of mystique or fun to your eyes. Thank you so much for watching. Love you lots. Don't forget to hype up this video. And if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, subscribe down below and be a channel member so you don't miss any future uploads from me. Bye.
Get out the way. Who got a watch? Who got the time? I'm racing the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams.